In this video, I will explain you how to do this simple design of a simple gear. This is our gear profile. Diameter of the shaft is 10 mm, and here you can see this one more radius. This is 30.16 mm. Okay. Select sketch. Select front plane. Take a circle command. From origin point, draw two circles. Right click, go for dimension, or else here you can find the dimension command. First specify the diameter of the shaft. Diameter of the shaft is 10 mm. Next specify the diameter of the one more circle I have specified here, that is 30.16. 30.16. Enter. Now we shall make the key slot here. For that, take a rectangle command. Draw one rectangle here. Give the dimension of the rectangle. Key slot is width is 3 mm, height is 1 mm. Give 3 mm, height as 1 mm. From origin point to this left line, make it 3 divided by 2. So it must be in the exactly center. Next, select this line and this circle, make it tangent relationship as tangent. Select the bottom line of the rectangle, press the control key and select the circle. You will find left side, you will find this dialog box, property manager. Here make it as tangent. Now it will be command fix on this circle. Next, take extended entities, extend command, extend this line. Here also extend this line. Next, select trim command, trim this line and inside circle. So you will get a profile like this. Next, select features, extruded boss base, select mid plane, thickness of the gear is 10 mm. Select OK. Next, select front plane followed by front view. Select sketch, circle. From origin point, draw one circle exactly equal to the outer line, outer diameter of the circle. Next, draw one more circle, make the dimension. Now we have drawn this dia of the circle, that is 40.45. Right click, dimension 40.45, enter. Select, right click, select. Now select zoom to area, zoom up to this area. Take a center line command, or else by using a line command we can convert it into center line. From origin point, draw one vertical line up to this circle. Right click, select on the line, Here left side you can see the line properties. Here in the options, go for construction. Next, take a line command. Now I am going to design the profile of the gear, one gear. We will design this gear. Distance from here to here it is 5 mm and distance of this is 1.5 mm. So take a line command, draw one vertical line. Next, draw one more vertical line which intersects this circle and this circle. Now do the dimensioning from this line to center line. This is 5 mm. So we are going to design only this part. 5 divided by 2. Next, from here to here, this is 1.5 divided by 2. Now trim the extra line. Go for trim. Sorry, take this. We need a circle here. Make the dimension same as this circle, that is 30.16. Now take a trim command and you can trim this extra line and you can trim this line. I am trimming this line because it will be easy to create a 3-point arc, so you will get a end point to end point easily, or else we have to search for the intersection of this line and the circle. For beginners it will be difficult, so you trim this line, it will be easy to find the end points. Take a 3-point arc. Select this first point, second point and just click. Okay, here you can specify the right click, select, give the dimension, right click, dimension, select this arc, make the dimension as 10 mm, enter. So here we have created this profile. Next, remove the extra lines which we have used for the construction purpose. Next, select the mirror entities to mirror this arc. Select the arc, mirror about axis line, mirror about axis line, select OK. Now select trim command and trim this extra circle. So now we got the profile of the gear. Select features, extruded boss base, select mid plane 10 mm. OK. Now we have created the profile of this gear. Next we have to, by using the circular pattern, we have to complete this gear. Here we have 15 teeth. We have 15 teeth. First we have to create a axis line before going for the circular pattern. Select reference geometry, select axis. Here select two planes. Here go to the feature manager, design tree, select top plane, select right plane. Here axis line has been created in between top and right plane. Select OK. Now select circular pattern, direction 1, axis already selected, axis 1. Next, features and faces. Select this boss extrude to, select front view. So if you give 10 teeth, 10 teeth will be created. Just you enter 15 teeth. I am taking 15 number of teeth. 360 degrees, equal spacing. Select equal spacing, select OK. It automatically, the distance between here it will be same throughout the gear. So this is your gear, simple design of gear. Now save the file, save, create one folder. This is gear 1. We have to design one more gear. If you have not understood this gear, one more gear I will design now. Please go through it. It will be of same little bit different dimensions, but the procedure will be same. File, new, select part file, select OK. Select sketch, front plane. Now diameter of the shaft will be same because we will be placing both the gears on the same shaft. So we have to change this dimensions, this and this dimension. So first draw the circle of diameter 10 mm. Next we shall, instead of 40 we'll go for 30. Okay, and this is 30.16. We'll go for around 20 or 24. Select a sketch, take a circle command. From origin point draw one circle and one more circle. Right click, dimension, diameter of the circle means shaft is 10 mm. Draw one more circle and make the dimension. Here we'll go for the dimension of 24 mm. Make it as 24. Select OK, and we have to make the key profile. Take a corner rectangle, draw one rectangle, dimension same as previous 3, height is 1, from origin point to the vertical line 3 divided by 2, select OK. Now select this horizontal line, means bottom of the rectangle, control, next select the circle, make it as relationship as tangent, select OK. Now extend entities, just place it your cursor on the line, it will show the extended up to this circle. Now select trim this unwanted arc and line. Now select features, extruded boss base, mid plane and 10 mm, select OK. Now let us create the profile, teeth profile. For that select front plane, front view, sketch, circle, from origin point draw one circle, make dimension, diameter here we will go for 32 mm and select OK. And draw one more circle from origin point, exactly place it here, select. Take a center line or a line command, from origin point draw one vertical line, here select the line and make it as for construction, select OK. Zoom to area, zoom this area, take a line command, draw one vertical line here and one more vertical line over here. This is for reference purpose. Next, dimension from here to here will give us same, that is 5 divided by 2, and okay, we will change the dimension. Here I am giving as 1, here 4 divided by 2. Trim the line. Now select the 3-point arc, select 3-point arc, select this end point, three-point arc, select this end point and this end point, click here, select OK, right click, dimension, select the arc and make the radius as 8 mm, select OK. Now trim the extra line. Now by using a mirror command, we have to copy this, we have to mirror this arc this side, another side, select mirror entities, entities to mirror, arc, mirror about this center line, means axis line, select OK. Now trim this circle and this circle. Now the profile has been created. Now select isometric view, features, extruded boss base, mid plane 10 mm. Okay. Now select reference geometry, axis, two planes, design tree, top plane, right plane. Okay, axis has been created. Now go for circular pattern. Direction on axis already has been selected. Features and faces. Select this, extrude. Now select front view. So now it is here 15. Okay, you can make it as 13 or whichever is convenient as per the design. Okay, I'm making as 14. Select OK. So this is one more gear. Okay, let's save this file as gear 2. Select OK. Next we shall design this shaft. New part file. Select OK. Select front plane, front view, sketch, circle. From origin point draw one circle. Make dimension. Diameter of the circle is 10 mm. Extrude boss base. Here distance specify as 50. Select OK. And here it is chamfer. Make it as 0.5. Select the edge or a face. Select OK. Ends up in chamfered. Save the file. Shaft. Save. Next we have to design the keys. File, new, part, OK. Select front plane, sketch, take a rectangle command or take a line command. From origin point draw an horizontal line, vertical line, again horizontal, again vertical. See, we have created a profile of around 1 mm thickness. So here we have to give 2 mm and here it will be length is 10 mm and key always will be of taper. So one side we have to do the taper. Here I am giving approx dimensions, that is around 1.9, just 0.1 mm difference. So now it is taper, extrude, thickness is 3 mm. Select OK. File, save, key, key 1, save. Next I will design one more key of same dimensions. Select front plane, front view, sketch, line. From origin point draw one horizontal line followed by vertical line. make dimension horizontal it is 10, height is 1.9. Again take a line command, from here draw one more vertical line, make dimension as 2 mm. Take a line command and join both the endpoints. So now it is taper. Features: extruded boss base, width as 3 mm, select, OK. File, save it as key 2, select OK. And we have missed one more thing in the shaft. Okay, we have to do the key slots for the shaft. For that, select right plane followed by a right view, select sketch, take a rectangle command, draw one rectangle, make dimension, length of the key slot is 10 mm, height is 1 mm, select OK. Now select this vertical line and this edge, vertical line, control edge, make the relationship as co-linear, select OK. Next, select top of the rectangle, means top of this line, followed by control and this edge, make it as collinear, select OK. Now select isometric view, extruded cut, here width is 3 mm, select OK. So this is your key slot. Again once more I will show on the other end, or else by using mirror command we can create a slot there. Select right plane, go for right view, select sketch, take rectangle, draw one rectangle, make dimensions, height is 1 mm, length is 10 mm. Next, select this edge, control, select this edge of the shaft and make it as co-linear. Okay. Next, select this top line, control and edge of this shaft, edge of the shaft and make it as collinear, select OK. Isometric view, extruded cut, three mm, OK. It must be always a mid plane, don't keep a blind, okay, it will be wrong again. So go for okay, if you keep a blind it cuts only one side, we have to be kept in mid plane, okay, then equal it will cuts and select OK. So these are the two key slots and save the file. In the next video I will explain you how to do the assembly of this gear, shaft and with the help of the keys. Thank you.